Like I said, the prior chiropractor I had wasn't doing near what you were doing.
Okay.
The results I've seen with you, and this is the fourth time, have impacted me more than the 6 or 7 months I was doing.
Okay. Well, that's really good to hear. There are a lot of styles with chiropractic, and not everything works for everybody. So I'm glad this is working for you.
Oh,
Good.
Oh, that felt wonderful.
Awesome. You ready to come on back?
Sure.
All right.
Feel what the YouTubers feel like all the time running around.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, if you want to go ahead and pop on up here. Perfect. I'm going to move this guy out of the way.
That's fine.
Actually, I'm just sitting down here. And then if you want to come on in. Yep. Perfect. Are you open to kind of talking a little bit about your accident and
Sure.
how chiropractic has helped? We've just been working with each other for the last 3 weeks, but it seems like we've made some really awesome progress, especially with the low back.
Yes.
So,
What do you...
so you've had your injury, it was about 3 years ago?
Yeah, it was 3 years ago, the 27th of this month. Yeah.
Okay. And since then, you've gained some pretty crazy, awesome motor control.
Yes.
You're continuously making improvements with that.
Improvements, you betcha.
We've got our fusion between C3 and C5.
C3 and C5.
So we've been working with a little bit of mobility there.
Issues, yeah.
And then the low back is kind of a new thing that we've introduced.
Yeah, it has actually created circulation more in my legs.
Okay.
Especially on my right leg. It seems to want to function better.
Okay.
It doesn't get as cold anymore.
Awesome.
The shakes are still there, but they're actually decreasing as well.
Okay. Awesome. Well, this is super exciting because we've been consistent once a week for the last 3 weeks, and we've got you doing a little bit of rehab at home, and you're continuing your care over a new ability as well. So, well, let's go ahead and get you on your back, and we'll get going with all of that stuff.
You want me face down, or?
Let's start on your back. So look
All
at
right.
this guy. Perfect. And are you comfortable there?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Awesome. So we're gonna feel into the neck a little bit. So with fusions, it's really important to get adjustments above and below the segments. Typically, these segments right above
You
those
got
fusions.
one pop right there.
We already got a pop in there. They get a lot of overuse, so it's really important that we kind of get the guys below and above to move correctly. So awesome. So we're going to do a little push right there. That felt okay?
Yeah.
I know it's not your favorite.
No, it's definitely not. Oh.
But we get the
Now
fun,
some more.
the worst part is done with first. All right. And then if you want to come in a little bit closer right here. So I'm going to have you bring your chin down to your chest. Good. Let that air out. And one more down here.
Not popping today.
Yeah. All right. And then we're going to do one more, actually a little bit lower. So bring that chin to your chest and hold that there. Perfect. All right. So we will run through your step on the side. Doing okay with those adjustments?
Yeah.
Those are usually pretty loud for you.
Extremely loud. This one's gonna be loud. I can feel it already.
Already have the tension.
Yep.
All right.
Oh.
Great. That felt pretty good.
Oh, that felt wonderful.
Awesome. And then if you want to come around that side.
Same thing.
Same deal, yeah. So that's been kind of your favorite one.
It relieves a lot of pressure. It really does.
Yeah.
It helps with my back and my lower back and my legs.
Good one. I'm so glad we've introduced that to you. And then wrist and shoulders and kind of everything else in between, we're kind of working on this mobility with some rehab stuff so that you're not getting so much tension.
Pulling my chin down and rotating as far as I can. Yeah, it's actually helping with the flexibility.
Good.
I didn't even know how to do that.
Those are getting more and more mobile as we've been doing our
Yeah.
adjustments, but when you first came in, you could feel how locked up
Tight they were. Yeah.
Yeah.
Legs are still tight.
Yeah.
Poof.
And then come in a little bit closer over here, so right here.
Oh, that just feels wonderful.
And do you do a lot of calf stretches at home?
Yeah, I do actually. I try to keep as flexible as possible. They're still tight though.
Yeah. So sometimes that makes adjustments a little bit tougher.
Well, hell was good. This weather has got a lot to do with it too.
That one was easy.
Huh?
That one was easy. Well, let's go ahead and have you flip over onto your stomach. You comfortable there?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's some tension.
You feel that?
Oh yeah.
Do you mainly feel that on this right side?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to see if you can see with the camera, but he is kind of rotated over towards this right side on that side joint. So you can see this is up way higher. So we're going to do some drop adjustments there and just some pressure. Is that kind of tender through here?
Yeah, it's a little tender. It's not bad though. Definitely feel it.
And your sensations are, you said, improving day by day as well.
Oh yeah. That hip actually feels compacted.
Like compressed down.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's kind of what we get when our SI joint is locked up, is all of these muscles into this junction between our PSIS and our spine here will get really, really tight. So that's what we're doing at the elbow here. And just from that, sometimes we can see the hips or the quad tension will actually be taken out. So it's a little bit, I'm going to do one more thing and then we're going to recheck that. So on this side, we're going to glute medius and piriformis. Are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine.
That tension there?
Yeah.
Well, you do have really great natural flexibility, which makes everything that I do a lot easier. And rechecking that. Do you feel like that tension went down a little bit?
A little bit.
So the table's going to pop up. And we're going to do a little push right here. Cool. So hips are where I want them.
It felt more even. The pressure on
With the
it.
pressure.
Yeah.
Good. And then we'll just give you a little bit of traction, lengthen that spine. New man.
New man.
Let's go ahead and come on up. Are you feeling pretty good with the rehab that you're doing?
Yeah, actually I am. Like I said, the prior chiropractor I had wasn't doing near what you were doing.
Okay.
The results I've seen with you, and this is the fourth time, have impacted me more than the 6 or 7 months I was doing.
Okay. Well, that's really good to hear. There are a lot of styles with chiropractic, and not everything works for everybody. So I'm glad this is working for you.
Yes.
Awesome. Anything else that you wanted me to look at today?
No, actually, I'm going okay. Thank you.
Good stuff. Yeah, for sure. Thanks for watching if you stayed to the end. If you liked the video, do me a huge favor and smash the like button below. And if you're not currently subscribed and you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit my face button right here so that you don't miss out. I post about 2 videos per